Did you know that crocodiles have 4 means of locomotion? First, the belly crawl, what they usually do. Second, the high walk, usually what the amphibians use. Third, the galloping, which is the fastest means of locomotion. And lastly, the tail walking, or what we call here, our crocodile dancing. As you can see, the crocodiles are like belly dancing. They are using their powerful tail to lift their body above the surface of the water. This is because 70% of crocodiles' muscles are found in their tail. Crocodiles do this in the wild to catch their prey such as birds and bats.